In this video, we're going to be creating a circuit which has probably no real clear purpose, but I just wanted to do it so that you can, quite often you have to simulate what happens in a circuit in an exam. And so by pulling this circuit together now, I'm hoping that what you'll see is that it's possible to have some complex circuits which enable you to sort of trace what they're going to do and predict. So this diagram is in the workbook that you need to create, but I'm going to obviously show you how to do it here as well. I need an exclusive OR up here. I have an OR here, and then I have an AND gate over here. And so once again, my job is to wire this up correctly. So I'm going to just do that there. I also have one that comes from here and up and joins that together. I've got this input connected to a NOT, and then that comes out and then joins into the OR. This one here also joins up to the OR. I just might fix that there. Okay, and then my output from this one gets connected to the AND. My output from this one gets connected to this one here. I hope if I drag that up, I'll just extend that one up and then draw that in so that it works better. And then I need two outputs. Put an output here, line it up, and then a second output down here. I'll wire this one up to that, and this one will go to here. Now, as I said before, no probably clear purpose for this direct circuit, but it is useful to see. As we start to trace it, you can see the sections which have got electricity going through it, or which is true, is gone light green. And so you can already see that in the state of 0, 0, 0, we've got a particular thing here. And then basically, I want you to get into the habit of being able to record the truth table accurately. So put the one here that changes the power to becomes a NOT, and there's basically no power coming through when we get the zeros there. And next one that we test is that one, and that's got both ones. Then we turn them both on, great. And then we turn that and both of these off. And this is basically just working down the truth table. Now, probably to make this easier, I should have grabbed my text tool and labeled that as A, labeled that as B, labeled that as C, so that I've got a clear understanding. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the outputs, which is X, and finally Y. So with those labels there, I'm working it through and looking at all the possible combinations. When I turn that one off and turn that one on, I get a 1. And when it's all 1s, that's a 0 and a 1. And so the question within the workbook is going to say, well, what's the purpose of this particular circuit? And the answer is there really isn't a direct purpose. You can't say, oh, this is how a padlock works to get into a special place where you've got 3 switches, you've got to put them all in the right spot. But at the same time, you should be able to start to see that as the green power comes through, what happens with each of these particular gates. You've already understood what an exclusive OR is, an OR, an AND, and a NOT, but now we've just combined them together to make a particular circuit, and you should be able to fill in the truth table on that.